We welcome everyone to the Animals channel. This strange incident happened 2 weeks ago. Veterinarians are still smiling, remembering how it all started. Kind people turned to the British Animal Care Clinic, bringing with them a strange find. When they laid out a shapeless lump of suspicious brown appearance on the table, the doctors thought they were just being joked about. However, the story told and the request for help turned the conversation into a more business-like direction. It turned out that a young puppy saw a hedgehog on the road and started playing with it, rolling it with his paws. It is clear that the hedgehog immediately curled up into a small ball, which is why his rolling ability only improved, which the puppy could not but appreciate. After a while, the dog rolled the hedgehog onto a clay road, and very soon the prickly animal began to resemble a large cobblestone or something worse. In the state he was found by volunteers. They realized that the hedgehog needs the help of specialists since the clay has already hardened. How he breathed there was also not clear, so the heavy clay stone was immediately taken to the vet clinic. The stuck hedgehog was urgently rescued from petrification. He sneezed, snuffled, was angry, but he was still carefully washed and dried with a towel, although it took a long time, the evening and the whole morning. The inspection of the animal ended with a joyful message: "The hedgehog is unharmed." That's just overcooled a little, and his mood was hopelessly spoiled. The patient was clearly offended by the whole world. Then doctors all over the world began to bring delicious treats to the hedgehog, who is a carrot, who is an apple, who is a cookie. And the hedgehog has become kinder. Gradually, he got used to the hospital and began to stick his curious nose into all the interesting places. Now he looks much happier than at first. His rescuers smile. Soon the baby will be able to return back to the wild. But only will he want to. After all, no one has ever refused a gift cookie. Thanks for watching.